Georgia, area mountains. Saturday, partly cloudy, high temperature around 74.
'96.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Moore County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, Eastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Southwestern Hope County in central North Carolina, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rockingham to near Hamlet, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Hamlet, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, Dobbins Heights, Wagram, Gibson, Laurel Hill, and Sandy Hills Game Land. The following is a special weather statement.
96
A strong
on the board,
thunderstorm will
baby.
impact west central
I'm it,
Scotland
baby.
and southeastern Richmond counties through